Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Hotjar recordings connected to no-code sites. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Hotjar account. Navigate to the dashboard where your recordings are displayed. Select the recordings you want to back up. You can filter by date or user behavior if needed. Once you've selected the recordings, look for the export option. Click on the export button, usually located at the top right of the recordings list. Choose the format you want to export your recordings in, such as MP4 or zip. Confirm the export action when prompted. Open your email to check for the export confirmation from Hotjar. Follow the link in the email to download your recordings. If you're using a no-code site builder, go to your site's editor. Use the platform's file management or cloud storage features. Upload your downloaded recordings to the designated location. Label your files clearly for easy access in the future. Consider organizing them in folders based on date or type of recording. Make sure to regularly check and back up new recordings to maintain your data. Review your recordings after upload to ensure they were saved correctly. You're now all set with your Hotjar recordings backed up safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech